Chapter 7. Eens he was through wi' his sailwa till a folk. He held awa to Capernaum. A sergeant there hid a feedman at he thought muckle o. A lad was nae wheel on near han a hinereen. Hearing about Jesus, he bade a Jewish elders prig wi' him to come and mak his lad all better. They come to Jesus and prayed wi' him, saying, "His chiel is worthy o' your help. He's a guid friend till his awe, and he himself bigged a meeting holly for his." Jesus gaed wi' them, and when he was near han a house, a sergeant sent his friends till him, saying, "Master, dinna fash yoursel. Fitna worth am I, you should come and neth my reef. That's why I didna come till you mysel. But just ye say a word, and my lad'll be cured. I can fit like, 'cause in my job, I'm a neth orders mysel, and I'll just gie orders to sodgers aneth me. I says till een, go wa, and awa he goes, until another, come here, and now he comes, until my feedman, dies, and he does it." When Jesus heard this, he marvelled at it, and turned till folk round about, he said, "Let me tell you, nae why, even in Israel, have I found faith like this." And them that were sent, holding back till a house, found the lad all better. And this day he gaed till a town called Nain, wi' his devout followers, and a great muckle crowd o' folk. And he come up till a gate o' a town. He met in wi' a funeral. A chiel at hid deet was his weed mither's ainless son. And a muckle setut o' a folk fae a town were there wi' her. And when a maester saw her, he was sorry for her, and he said, "Dinna greet." And he come and put his hand on a coffin, and a lad carrying a coffin steed up. Syne he spake, "Hey, Maloon, I say till you, rise up." A deed lad sat up and begun to speak, and Jesus handed him back till his mither. They were all dumbfoundered, and they praised Aul Mither. "A great prophet is raised up among us," they said. Aul Mither has shown he's looking after his folk. A tale of 50 gaed through all Judea and all a country round. York was told to all of this by his devout followers, and York bade 12 his devout followers to seek out Jesus wi' his earing. "Are ye the een that's to come, or should we seek some other?" A chiels made their way to Jesus and said, "York a mercer bade us come till ya, and speir gin ye're a een that's to come, or rather should we expect another." At vera hour he cured mony fae their diseases, plagues, and ill spirits, and gart mony blind see. Syne he answered them, "Go wa," he says, "and tell York fit you've seen and heard. Fu a blind see, and the cripple walk, a lepers are cleansed, and the deaf hear, a deed are raised up, and the guid send is preached till appear. Happy is the chiel that talks wi' me." After York's lads had left, Jesus spoke to the crowds about him. "Fit na fairlies did ye come out to a rock country to see? Rosses blawing i' the wind? Na. Fit did ye gang out to see? A chiel wearing his best rig out? Surely them that's rigged out in braw clays, and have a best o' often bide in palaces. But fit did ye gang out to see? A prophet? Just that, I'm thinking, on mebbe mer voorbij. He's a chill of all scripters say, here's my send, at I'll send on afore ya, on he'll rid the road for ya. Lot ma tell ya, there's nae a mither's son, a farer ben prophet nor York, but yet the smallest i' the kingdom o' Micte is greater nor him. On fun they heard him, all folk, even at Toxmonies, praised all Micte, and took we York's immersion. But the Pharisees and lawyers wouldna talk we all Micte's word, and rejected York's immersion. Says Jesus, nu fit can I say about folk nowadays. Fit are they like? They're like bairns, sitting on the mart, and roaring till een another. We played the pipes, and you wouldna dance. We mourned till you, but you wouldna greet. 'Cause York a immerser come till you, nae eatin' and nae drinking, and you sit o' him. It deals in o' him. As son of man come eatin' and drinking, and you say, talk a look at that gutsy truth. Freen till it talks monies and cards. But the wisdom o' Micte is proven to be richt by all that accept it. Eno the Pharisees sought him to come and eat wi' him, and he gaed until a Pharisee's house and sat down wi' him. There was a woman i' the town, was a guy unchancy kind o' crater, and she had found out Jesus was haeing his supper wi' a Pharisee. She brought the fancy potty o' oil, and steed ahind him at his queets, and roared and great. She begun to wash his feet wi' her tears, and dry them wi' a hairs o' her head, kissed his feet, and poured the oil on them. A Pharisee at had socked him to a house, saw this, and thought to himself, is chill, gin he'd been a prophet, would hae jaloused fitting the kind of woman this is rocks a newt to him. She's a whore. Jesus said to him, Simon, I've something to say to you. Say awa, he says, to all chills were Joe siller till a bonker. Een was Joe 500 pound, a tither 50. None of them had ony siller, so he lot them baith off. So tell ma, fitting een of them will think a maist o' him. Says Simon, I would think a lad had got off wi' a maist, just that, said Jesus. Syne he turned to a woman and said to Simon, see this woman here? I come into your house, but never a drop of water did ye gie me for my feet. But this woman has made them wet wi' her tears, and wiped them down wi' a hairs o' her head. Ye didna kiss me, but fae a minute I come in, this woman has never devolved for kissing my feet. Ye didna anoint my head wi' oil, but she's anointed my feet wi' ointment. Say lot me tell ye, her ill deeds, as mony as they are at that, are forgien 'cause of her love. Ye see, forever has been forgien bit small book, shoes bit small love. Syne he says till her, your ill deeds are forgien. A tither folk sitting at the table said to themselves, Fa's this, at he can forgie ill deeds. But he said till a woman, your faith has salved you. Awa ye go in peace. Chop the regt. Efter aught he gaed travelling to ilka toon on clocken, preaching a guid send, o a kingdom o' Micte. A twal were wi' him, and a few women folk at had been set louse fae their feel spirits and ailments. Mary called Magdalene, uta hid come 7 deals, on Joanna, a wife of Chusa, Herod's grieve. Susanna, on mony others. They used their ain siller to provide for him. On van a muckle crude gathered, coming out for all a tunes round about, he spoke till them in a parable. A farmer gaed out to shave his seed. As he was shaving, a puckly seed fell on the road, for it was trumpet doon, on a cross, et it up. A puckle seed fell among steens, and after it had sprouted, it withered out for wind to water. A puckly seed fell among thistles. A thistles grew up along with it and choked it out. And a puckly seed fell into a gweed ground, and it grew and cropped a 100-fold. As he was saying this, he roared, "Gin ye have lugs to hear, sign here." His devout followers spirit at him fit this parable meant, and he said, "Ye ken all about the fairlies o' a kingdom o' Aul Mither, but the other folk have just got parables. Say that they might look and see Nathan, hearken, but understand Nathan." This is fit the parables all about. A seed is a word o' Aul Mither. A folk on a pathy are them for hear it. Sign along comes a deal, and talks a word, awa out of their hearts, for fear they might believe and besolve it. A folk on a steens are them for hear and gladly talk in the word, but they've nader eats. They talk wi' it for a filey, but soon fall awa from temptations about. On a seed that falls among thistles are them for, ance they've heard, gang awa, and are choked wi' troubles and wealth and pleasures o' this life, and their crop never ripens. But on the gweed ground, them for fess an honest and gweed heart, till a hearing o' a word, and sticking wi' it, grow a gweed crop. Nae chiel licks a connel, and hops it wi' a potty, or pits it aneath a bed. But he pits it on a connel stick, say them for come in may see a licht. 'Cause Nathan's hoden at winna be shoon to all, nor is onything hid at winna be brought out till a open. Pay attention, sign, to fu ye hearken, 'cause to forever his gear, mair will begin, and forever his Nathan of all. There'll be teen awa for him, even fit he thinks he is. His mither and his brothers appeared, but couldna get near on him for a burst of folk. He was told, "Your mither and your brothers are outside, sickin' to see ye." And he says to them, "My mither and my brothers are them at hear a word o' Aul Mither, and knock upo it." A day he was in a boaty wi' his devout followers, and he says to them, "We'll haud our till a t'other side o' a loch." Say they kees off. As they were sailing, he fell asleep, and a howling wind got up on a loch. A water was coming in our, and it was turning out Guy mischancy. They come over to him, walked him, and said, "Master, master, we're sinking." He walked up, gied a wind on a rock water, a gweed raging, on a gale the vault of all was calm. And he says to them, "Far's your faith?" And being Guy feared, they wintered at him, saying till een another, "What kind of chill is this? He gars even the wind, and the water deef it, he tells them." Say they come till a lawn o' a Gadarene, over by Galilee. As he stepped on till a lawn, he was met by a chiel for a tune at had been teen a hod o' bedeals. For monies a year, he'd gain about naked, never bed in a house, but sleep at the my gravesteins. When he saw Jesus, he bawled out to him, plopped down afore him, and in a muckle voice roared out, "Fit are you second with me, Jesus, son o' maist he Aul Mither. Dinna torment me." 'Cause you see, Jesus had got the feel spirit come out o' a chiel. Mony's a time it had ta'en a haud him, and he was keepit, bun up wi' chains. But ilka time he broke loose and was chased by a deal into a rock country, or a moors. Jesus spirit at him, "Fit did they call you?" He says, "Legion, 'cause sae mony deals have ta'en a haud of me." And they prigged wi' him nae to cast them into a dungeon for deals. There was a herd of piggies feeding on a hillside, and the spirits prigged wi' him to lot them young into a piggies. Say aughts fit to lot them dee. A deals come out o' a chiel and into a piggies, and the hale herd careened down the hill into a loch and were drowned. And when the herd loons saw fit had come about, they took till their heels and blobbed about the hale thing in a tune on a hale country rune. A folk all come to see for themselves. They come to Jesus and found a chiel at the deals had come out o' sitting at Jesus' feet, wi' claes on and richt i' the head, and they were feared. And them I had seen fit had happened, telt through a chiel had been i' the hands o' a deals and had been made all better. Syne a hale jing bong o' a Gordan folk telt him to get out o' there, for they were guy sair made aboot it all. So they got until his boatie and gaed awa back. A chiel at had been ta'en by deals sought to gang wi' him, but Jesus sent him awa, saying, "Awa you go hame, and shew a great things I'll make this deen for you." So he held awa until the hale tune about the great things Jesus had deen for him. Now when Jesus got back, a folk were all waiting for him. Syne a chiel appeared called YERSEL. Guy wheel up in the meeting hall, he was. He plopped down at Jesus' feet, and sought him to come till his house. You see, he had just the a doctor, about 12 year old she was. But she was deeing. As he held a wall there, a folk were thronging round him. A woman that had been suffering fra bleeding for 12 year, and had spent all her siller on doctors, that couldna do naething for her, come up behind him, and rocked out till a fit to his plaid, and all at eens her bleeding was stopped. And Jesus said, "Wha touched me?" Naebody owned up, and Steenie, and a devout follower, said, "Master, a crowds are thronging round about you." But Jesus said, "Somebody touched me, 'cause I could feel a poor gone out of me." Syne a woman, seeing that she was caught, come shocking, and fawn down afore him. Afore a hale crowd she telled him that why she had touched him, and through all things she'd been made all better. And he said to her, "My queen, your faith has made you all better. Awa you go in peace." As he was saying this, a chiel come fra a meeting hall manny's house, saying, "Your queenie's deed, dinna trouble a maester." But when Jesus heard this, he said, "Dinna fash, just believe, and she'll be made hale." And when he come till a house, he wouldna let a sentient being gang in save Steenie and James and York, and a queenie's father and mother. and they were all howling and greeting for her. But they said, Dinna greet, she's nae dead, just sleeping. They look at him, kenning fine she was dead, and he popped them all out, took a hold of her hand, and said, Get up, my quine, and her spirit come till her, and she got up all at teens, and he told them to gie her something to eat, and her father and her mither were dumbfounded, but he bade them nae tell a sentient being fitted come about. Chapter 9. Syne he brought his 12 errand sins thegither, and gied them poor on authority to cast out deals and cure disease. And he sent them out to preach a kingdom o' Aul Mither, and to heal a nae weel. Talk nathan wi' you on the road, he said till them. Nae ill one, nae pock, nae mate, nae siller, and none o' you will hae a spare jacket. Whatever hoose ye gang intil, bide there. Syne haud a wa fae there. And fiver winna talk ye in. Van ye gang a wa fae sic na tune, shock a stew off for your quates, as a warning till them. Say a wa they gaed and travelled fae tune to tune, preaching a guid send, and curing them was nae weel. New Herod, a roller, when he heard it was gone on, didna ken fit to mock o' it. 'Cause some lads were saying York was raised fae a deed, others Elijah had appeared, and others een o' all prophets was raised eens mair. Says Herod, As for York, I beheaded him mysel, but fa's this I hear sick things about. And he sought to meet in wi' him. From the errand sins come back, they telled him all they'd deen, and he took them wi' him alane till a tune called Bethsaida. A crowd found out and followed him. He welcomed them and spake till them about the kingdom o' Mither, and cured them were nae weel. As nicht was drawn on, a 12 come till him and said, Send the crowds awa, so they mith gang intil a tunes, on a country round about, and get to bed for a nicht on some mate. We are in 'em. Gie them something to eat yourselves, he said. We've nathan but 5 loaves and 12 fishes, they says. Unless we gang and buy mate for all. There was about 5,000 shields, and he says till his devout followers, Guard them sit down in borokies of 50s. They did just that, and bade them all sit down. Syne talking of 5 loaves, and at 12 fishes he looked up till the heavens, and blessed them, and broke them, and gied them till his devout followers, to dish out till a crowd. They all ate till their hearts' content, and they gathered up 12 creels of mealix. A day, when he was praying alane wi' his devout followers, he says till them, Fa do folk say I am? They answered, Some say York a mercer, others Elijah, and others een o' the all prophets is come back to life. And he says, But fa div ye say I am? Steenie says, Aul Mither's a neetateen. Syne he gart them till nae a sentient being o' this, saying, A son o' man maun suffer muckle, and be rejected by the elders and the priests and the liars, and be deen awa wi, and raised to life on a 3rd day. He says till them all, Gin ony chiel would seek to follow me, he maun pit himsel ahind him, talk up his stake ilka day, and die as I die. Whoever looks till his ain life will surely lose it, but whoever will lose his life for my sake will surely find it. Fit good is it to hae the hale warld, and lose YERSEL, and be cossen out. Fa'ever myth be affronted to me, on my word, as Son of Man will be affronted to him, when he comes in his stem, on the stem o' the Father, on o' the sins. Lot me tell you this, there's some standing here at'll nae taste death till they see a kingdom almighty. About 8 days after he said this, he took Steenie and York and James up until a mountain to pray. While he was praying, a look on his dish changed, and his clays turned a sheenen fight. All at once there was 12 chills newsing wi' him. It was Moses and Elijah. For appeared in a stem and spake o' his own, on the things that would happen in Jerusalem. But all the while Steenie and his cronies were fast asleep. But from they wakened, they saw as a stem, and the 12 chills that stayed wi' him. As they were holding a wa for Jesus, Steenie says to him, Master, you're fortunate we're here. We can make 3 beels for you, een for you, een for Moses, and een for Elijah. But he didn't ken what he was speaking about. As he was speaking, a cloud come and cast a shadow over them. They were feared, and they gaed into a cloud, and the voice come out of it. This is my loon, my chosen, hearken to what he says. And after a voice had spoken, Jesus was all bezleen. A devout followers kept quiet about it, and nae a sentient being told the fit they had seen. Next day, when they come down fair hills, they were met by a muckle crowd. Een o' a chills o' a crowd roared out, Master, oh, but you could tak a look at my loony, my bairnie. You see, now and on, a spirit talks a hold of him, and all of a sudden he roars out of him. And it rives at him, and gars him foam at the mouth, and keeps on malagruising him, and winna hard at peace wi' him. I sucked your devout followers to keep it out, but they couldn't mock naething o' it. And Jesus says to him, Och, you're an unbelieving and ill-gotted generation. Fu muckle longer will I be wi' you, and hae to pit up wi' you all. Thessalony here. As he was coming over, a deal took a hold of him, and cast him down on the ground, and tore at him. Jesus rebuked the foul spirit, made the bairnie all better, and hunted him back till his father. They were all dumbfounded at the michty poor almighty. But as ilka een of them was wondering at all the things Jesus had done, he said to his devout followers, Let what I'm saying sink in till your heads, 'cause the Son of Man will be gi'n up into the hands of men. But they kent not fit he meant. It had been hard for them, so they couldn't mock heed nor tail o' it, and they were our feared to backspear him. Syne they argy-bargied about fitting een of them was the foremost. Jesus kent find fit they were thinking, and took a bairnie, and sat him down aside him, and says to them, Whoever talks in this bairnie, in my name, talks in me. And whoever talks in me, talks in him wha sent me. 'Cause a chiel that's hindmost amo you, he'll be the foremost. And York said, Master, we saw a chiel casting out deals in your name, and we gart him hard for it, 'cause he's nae een o' his. Jesus answered him, Dinna stop him, 'cause whatever's nae agin you is we is. Nu it come about at van a time had come for him to be teen up to heaven. He set the stoot face to gang to Jerusalem, and set out sins afore him. They held a wa to a clocken in Samaria, to mak ready for him. But they wouldn't talk wi' him, 'cause he was sae set on heeding to Jerusalem. Van his devout followers, James and Jock, saw us. They said, Master, div you want us to call down fire for heaven to frizzle them up, just like Elijah did? But they turned and gied them a good telling off, saying, Div you nae ken fitting a kind of spirit you're fae? 'Cause a son of man is nae come to deal wa wi' men's lives, but to save them. And they held a wa till another clocken. As they were gone ben the road, a chiel said till them, Master, I'll follow you forever you gang. And Jesus said to him, Tods have their boars, and the birdies o' air have their nests, but the Son of Man has nae way to lay his heed. And he said till another chiel, Follow me. But he says, Master, let me gang and bury my father first. Jesus said to him, Let the deed bury their deed. Ye maun gang and announce a kingdom Aul Mither. Another chiel said to him, I'll follow ye, but first let me gang and say cheerio till the folks at hame. And Jesus said to him, Nae man, eens han pat his hand till a plough, gin he keeps looking back, is fit for a kingdom Aul Mither. Chapter 10. After aught, a master appointed another 70, and sent them out ahead o' him in twas, till all attunes and clockens round about, at he was gone till himsel. He says till them, A crop is heavy, but the feedmen are few. Pray till a farmer, and he'll send out the feedmen, to talk in the harst. A while you go, and look, I'm sending you out like lammies amo tods. Dinna carry purse nor pock, nor sheen, and dinna stand on news on a road. Whenever you gang into a house, let the first thing you say be, Peace to his house. And gin a man o' peace be there, your peace will rest on him. If nae, it'll come straight back till ya. And bide at that house, and eat and drink whatever they gie ye, 'cause a feedman is worth his fee. Dinna move fae hoose to hoose, and whenever ye gang into a town, for they mak you welcome, eat whatever they set afore ye. Mak a folk there at myth be nae weel, all bitter, and say till them, A kingdom Aul Mither is here amo ye. When ye gang into a town, and they dinna mak you welcome, gang into a streets and say, Even the very stew o' your town, at sattles a poise, we wipe off to your shame. But mine, a kingdom Aul Mither is near at hand. Let me tell ye, Sodom will be better off at day nor sic a town. Wally wally Chorazin, wally wally Bethsaida. Gin the fairlies at were deen in o' you, had been deen in Tyre and Sidon, they'd have a change in thoughts and feelings long syne, sitting in sackcloth and ashes. But it'll be a great sicht better for Tyre and Sidon at the judgment nor for you. And as for you, Capernaum, raised up till a lift a bean, you'll be casting down till the ill place. Whoever hearkens to you, hearkens to me. And whoever thinks lickful o' you, thinks lickful o' me. And whoever thinks lickful o' me, thinks lickful o' him wha sent me. A 70 come hame happy and Larry saying, Master, in your name, even the deals, deep it we tell them. He said, I watch it through Satan, fill out the lift like lightning. You see, I've gien ye poor to trump on snakes, on scorpions, on overcome all your fays, on Nathan will ever harm ye. But nae-withstanding, ye shouldna gloat o'er a folk at the deals deep that ye tell them, but rather be glad at your names are written in heaven. At the same time, Jesus rejoiced in a pure spirit, and said, I thank ye, Father, Master of heaven and earth, at ye've keepit sick things fae learnt on the wise, making it clear till a simple folkies. Aye, Father, at's just fit ye wint it. Often comes to me fae Father, and nae chiel kens fa a son is, but the Father, and neen fa a Father is, but the Son, and them at the Son choices to shew him till. Turning to his devout followers, Aline, he said, Blessed are the een at see at things you see. Lot me tell ya, a fair few prophets and kings went it to see a things you're seeing, yet never saw it, and to hear that you've been hearing, yet never heard it. Knew it come about at a certain lawyer, steed up and tried him out, bespearing this, Master, fit man a thee to win everlasting life. Says Jesus, fit does the law say? Fit's your reading o' it. And he answers, Lua Master your almighty, we all your heart, and we all your sentient being, and we all your strength, and we all your mind, and loo your neighbor like yoursel. At's richt, says Jesus, die just that, and you'll live. But the chill went it to justify himself. Say, says to Jesus, and fa's my neighbor. Jesus answered, a chiel was young doon fra Jerusalem to Jericho, and he fell in among thieves, for stripped him o' his clothes, gied him a hiding, and held awa, leaving him for dead. Now it happened at the priest was young doon the same road, and when he saw a chiel, he held by at t'other side. And likewise along come a Levite, and when he saw him, he held by on a t'other side too. But the lad fae Samaria, travelling ben a road, come on him, and when he saw him, felt heart sorry for him. He gaed over to him, bun up his sair bits, bathing them wi' ile and wine. He pat the chiel on his ain cuddy, and took him till an inn, and looked after him. And next day, as he held awa, he took out £100, gied it till a landlord, and said to him, Look after him, and gin aught disna cover along, I'll pay ye on a road back. Now fitna een o' the three of them was a neighbor till a chiel was set on by thieves. Says he, the een was guid till him. Sign Jesus said till him, a while you go, and die likewise. Now it come about at when they happened upon a certain firmtown. A woman called Martha took him into her house. She had a sister called Mary, who sat at Jesus' feet and heard all that he said. Now Martha was ta'en up wi' her work, and come till him and said, Master, div ye nae care a dockin at my sister there? He's left me to die all thin by mysel, and never does a hand's turn to help. Tell her to come and gi'es a hand. But Jesus answered, Martha, Martha, fitna die your hand about all thin, but just the ae thing is winted, and Mary's ta'en up fits best, on it'll nae be teen a warfare. Chapter 11. Nu it come abood, after he'd finished praying, a day at a certain placey. Een o' his devout followers says to him, Meester, learn us fu to pray, just like Jock learnt his devout followers. He answered, When ye pray, say, We're Father in heaven, pure be your name. Your kingdom come, your way be done in a world as it is in heaven. Gies were made ilka day, and for the morn. Forgie our mistakes, as we forgie them five misfitted is. And dinna tempt is, but hard is awa for all ill. And he said till them, Supposing ye hid a guid friend, and ye gang till him in the middle o' a nicht, and say till him, Friend, gi's a lend o' 3 loaves, 'cause a friend o' mine has cried in by, and I've naething to gie him to eat. And he cries out to ye, Awa, and nae bother ma. It's next on a door, for a nicht, where bairns on is, are in their beds, and I'm nae gang to rise and gie ye fit your sickin. Lot me tell ye, even though he winna get up and gie ye a loaf, 'cause you're his friend, for vera shame at your persistence he'll get up and gie ye fit your sickin. Say I say till ye, speer and it'll begin till ye. Sick and ye'll find. Chop and it'll be open till ye. 'Cause ilka een at spears gets, them at sick, fine, and to them at chop, a door'll be opened. Would there be a father amo ye at would gie his loony a snake, funny spears for a fishy? Or would ye gie him a scorpion, funny spears for an eggy? Gin ye, coorse as ye are, ken fu to gie guid things to your bairns, fu muckle mair will a heavenly Father gie a pure spirit till them at sick. He was casting out a deal at wisdom, and van a deal gaed out a lad at wisdom started to speak. A folk were dumbfounded, but a few of them said, He castes out deals through Beelzebub, a heed deester o' deals. Other folk, trying him out, sought him to gie them a sign for heaven, but they can't find fit they were thinking and said till them, Ilka country divided again itself, gangs all to rock and ruin. On a house divided again itself will fall, say gin Satan, but divided again himself, fu will his kingdom stand. 'Cause as ye say, I cast out deals through Beelzebub, gin I cast deals be Beelzebub, fa div your ain loons cast them out be. Gin aught be your say awa, they'll prove ye wrong. But gin I cast out deals be finger o' Almighty, sign nae doubt a kingdom o' Almighty is already amo ye. Van a strong chiel weel armed stands guard ower his castle, his gear is soft. But gin a stronger chiel comes along and overcomes him, he talks awa all his weapons, at he wis lippen till, and hands out his gear. A chiel at's nae weema is agin ma, and a chiel at disna gather weema scatters. Van a feel spirit comes out o' a chiel, it wanders through a rock country, looking for a rest. Gin it disna come on in, it says to itself, Och, I think I'll haud a while back hame to my ain house. And when he comes, he finds it all cleaned like a new preen. Awa he goes and finds another 7 spirits, mair coarse nor himself, On they all satel doen illa husi. Illa heinerin, et chiels plukt is war nor it wiz at the utset. As he was saying this, a woman in a crude bawled out to him, Happy a wime at carried you on a breast at ye sucket. He cried back, Mere like, Happy are them at hear a word almighty and keep it till them. We a crude swarming round about him, he said till them, This is a cursed generation. They're sicking a sign. The A sign at they'll get is a sign of Jonah. 'Cause just as Jonah was a sign to Ninevites, so will a son of man be till his generation. A queen o' a sooth will rise up at the judgment from a folk o' his generation are on trial, and will condemn them. 'Cause she come for the ends of the earth to hear a wisdom of Solomon, and fit ye have here is farer been nor Solomon. A chiels for Nineveh will appear from a folk of his generation are on trial, and will condemn them. 'Cause they failed to have a change in thoughts and feelings at the teaching of Jonah, but fit ye have here is farer been nor Jonah. 'Cause they had a change in thoughts and feelings at the teaching of Jonah, but fit ye have here is farer been nor Jonah. Nobody licks a connel and pits it awa out the sicht aneth a bushel, but pits it on a connel stick. Say all at come in mit see a licht. A licht o' your body is your ee. Say from your een or soon, ye have licked for your hale body. But gin ye een be bad, your body is full of mark. See till it then, at the lick ye have is nae full of mark. Gin ye hae licked for your hale body, we nae trace a mark, it'll be as bricht as von a connel flashes its lick upo ye. Eens he was through speaking, a Pharisee bade him come and hae supper wi' him. He gaed in and sat himself down to eat. A Pharisee was sair come at he hadna washed his hands afore he sat down. But the master said to him, You Pharisees, ye lave the outside o' a cup on the ashet, but i' the intimers there's naething but greed and coarseness. Ye gipes, did him at made the outside nae mak a intimers tea? Gie fits in your cups and your ashets till appear, and it'll all be clean. Wally, ye Pharisees, ye pay your tithes o' mint and rue, and all sick like herbs, but ye dinna care a dockin for Fitzricht nor a love almighty. At's fit ye should hae been looking till without neglecting a lave. Wally, ye Pharisees, ye lou a best seats i' the meeting hall, and saying, Good day, at the mert. Wally, ye lawyers and Pharisees, hypocrites at ye are. You're like unmarket graves, at folk stravig hour ahead o, without kenning they're there. Een o' a lawyers answered him back, Meester, gin ye say sick like things, you're insulting is, tea. And he said, Aye, you lawyers, ye're nae muckle better. Ye load folk wi' a barn on their shoulder, and winna turn a hand till it yoursel. Wally till ye beg a tombs o' a prophets at your fathers did awa wi. Shewing at ye talk wi' your fathers ill deeds. They did a murtherin', and ye dig a graves. At's a why a wisdom almighty says, I'll send them prophets on sins, and some o' them they'll be cursed till on die awa wi. Say his generation will hae to answer for a bleed o' all prophets, shed sin the beginning of time. Fae a bleed o' Abel, till a bleed o' Zechariah, for perished atween a altar on the temple. I tell ya, this generation will hate to answer for it all. Wally, ye lawyers, ye've teen awa a case o' knowledge. Ye wadna gyong in yourselves, and ye hindered them at would gyong in. Eens he'd left the house, a liars and the Pharisees held at him, hammer on tongues, wi' a corn of back spearing, setting snares to catch him out wi' his ain words. Chapter 12. In the meantime, from a crowd of thousands had gathered, packed in sae thick together, that they were trumping on een another's taes. He begun to say to his devout followers, "Tak care for a leaven o' Pharisees. It's naething but hypocrisy. There's naething hoppet up, at winna be shown to ye. Naething out o' a sect, at ye winna ken aboot. Say whatever ye've been saying i' the mark will be heard i' the dialect. Unfit ye've whispered ahind shut doors, will be broadcast via top o' houses. Let me tell ye, my friends, dinna be fair to them at kill a body, 'cause after that, there's nae mair they can do. I'll warn ye fa to be fair to. Be fair to a chiel at will kill ye and syne kiss ye doon into the mules. Believe me, he's the ane to be fair to. Are spurdies nae 5 to a bobby? Yet nae een o' them is forgotten afore Almighty. Mair nor aught, even ilka hair o' your heads being counted. Dinna be feared, syne, you're a mair value nor ony amount o' spurdies. And I'll tell ye this too, whoever talks wi' me afore living folk, a son o' man will talk wi' afore the sins o' Almighty. But the chiel at nae says me, afore living folk, will himself be nae said afore the sin Almighty. And whoever speaks a word counter till a son o' man will be forgiven, but the chiel at blasphemes against the pure spirit will nae be forgiven. And from they fess ye until a temple and afore a poor or a shira, never give a thought to who or fit you'll say, 'cause when a time comes, a pure spirit will tell ye fit to say. A chiel in the crowd said to him, "Spec to my brother, and gar him haver his inheritance wi' me." He answered, "Aye, min. Fa made me a judge or a divider o'er you." Syne he said to all folk, "Tak heed, watch out for a greedy. There's mair to life nor gear." And he told them his parable. There was eens a wealthy farmer, was grown aye gied a guid crop. And he thought to himself, "Fit am I young today? A barn's nae big enough to hold all my corn. This is fit I'll do," he says. "I'll call doon a barn, and big a bigger een. At'll hold all my crop. And syne I'll say to mysel, Aye, min, ye've muckle laid up for mony years to come. Tak your rest, eat, drink, be merry." But Almighty says to him, "Ye feel loss. Is vera nicht your life will be teen for ye. Fa's young to get all your gear you've laid up. At's fit it's like for a chiel at lays in muckle wealth, but is little or nathan in a sicht Almighty." Say, he says to his devout followers, "Ye dinna need to care a docken about mate to keep ye going, or clays for your back. Life's mair mate nor a body, nor fit your wearing." Think o' a cross. They dinna shove nor harrest. They've nae corn loft, nor barn, yet on and on, I'll make the geese them mate. Fu muckle better are you nor birds. Fitna eno ya befashion, can add a cubit till is hicked. Gin ya canna dee sic a wee thing as that. Fitna why are ya fashion about the lave? Think o' a flurries, they dinna spin nor wive. Yet, lot ma tell ya, Solomon in all his esteem wisna rig it doot like een o' them. Ginnaut fu almichty grows a girse, growin' in a perk a day, uncassin' in o' a stove a morn. Fu muckle mair will he clathe you, o ye a little faith. Say dinna be sickin' oot fit your gyan to et, unfit your gyan to drink. And dinna fash yoursel, 'cause this is fit all a heathen renifter. But your Father kens your need o' sic things. Na, set your mind on his kingdom, and all a lave will come till ya. Dinna be feart, my lammies, 'cause it's your Father's pleasure to gie ya a kingdom. Sell your gear and gie to appear. Provide yoursel wi' a Percy at winna weeder out. Treasure in heaven at winna fail. For nae thief can win near honnet, nor mock del boars throw it. 'Cause for your treasure is, your heart will be there tee. Be ready for a fray wi' your lantern burnin' bricht. Be like a chiel at waits for his measter comin' hame fae a waddin, ready to let him in as soon as he chops at the door. Blessed are a servants at the measter finds ready when he comes. I'll tell you this, he'll ticken his belt, set him down at the table, and he'll come and serve him. Gin it be a middle o' a nicht, or afore a sunrise when he comes back, they'll be all richt gin he sees them waitin' for him. And ken this, gin a guidman o' a hoose had bit kent fittin' the time a thief was comin', he would hae been watchin', and widna hae letten him brock in. Hold yourself ready, sign, 'cause a son o' man mith come at the time ye least expect him. Says Steenie, is this parable just for is, or is it for allbody? And Meester said, well, fa's a guid unfaithful servant, at the Meester will pat on for grieve, to our see a lave, and gie them their rations on guid buik. Blessed is a servant at the Meester finds at his work when he comes. Lot me tell ya, he'll pit him in charge o' all. But gin a grieve say till himsel, a meester's lotsy kind, and sign is course to a feedman, and the kitchy deems, and eats and drinks and gets full. At Chiel's meester will come on a day at he disna expect, and at an hour at he disna ken, and will caw him to bits. And that's a why he'll get his comeuppance up mo' the heathen. A grieve at kens fits his meester wants him to dee, but disna dee it will be flog it. But the servant at disna ken fit to dee, but dis things at deserve a flogging, winna be flogget, say sir. For a chiel's been gien muckle, muckle will be expected o' him. On a mare o' a chiel has been gien, all mare will be socked o' him. I've come to set the world on fire. I know, I wish it was already kindled, but I have to get on immersion, and fit the wax on my shoulders till it's by we. Div you think I've come to give peace till a whirl? Nah, deal a bit. I've come to fest division. From now on, 5 folk in a family will be set agin een another, 3 contre 3, and 3 contre 3. Father contra son, on son contra father, mither contra doctor, on doctor contra mither, mother-in-law contra doctor-in-law, on doctor-in-law contra mother-in-law. He said this to folk tea. When you see a cloud bonking up I the west, you say to yourself, there's a shourie coming. And sure enough, it is. And gin you win is I the south, you'll say, there'll be grand spell o' weather. And sure enough, there is. You're a lot of hypocrites. You ken fu to look on a lift and predict a weather. But fu is it you canna predict is fateful oor. And fit why can you nae work out for yourselves a richt gate? When you're young wi your case till a court, settle it wi the ither chill afore you win the length o' a door. Or he myth haul you afore a shira. On a shira han you hour till a bobbies till a gile ya. Lot me tell ya, you winna come out till you've pied a hindmaist farthen.